Hi everyone, welcome to our product show. I'm Jenny. I'm so glad to introduce our products to you today. This is our new From multi-X-ray machine. Equipped with an ergonomic design and electric lifting system, it can meet different precision radiography examination requirements easily. The two columns can focus with each other automatically in chest examination. For example, we adjust the chest view column according to the patient's height. Then the tilt column will focus it synchronously. Let me show you now. For more details, welcome to visit our website and contact us. Goodbye, see you next time.